OpenRouter just dropped a new compound model called Fusion, and they're claiming that they beat Fable 5 level intelligence at half a price. So good to believe. Why? Because Fable 5 was the best model ever released by Anthropic, and they just shut it down because US government, the national security, banned accessing to any user if they are not US citizen. That means even if people are residing in US but they're not citizen, or even if you're an Anthropic employee and you're not a citizen, you won't get access to the model. So people like me and you, ordinary people, you want to really sit and wait for this model to get released? I don't think that's gonna happen. So I was looking around to see if there's a replacement or what's the strategy I can get the same performance, because that model was absolutely insane. And this blog by OpenRouter really grabbed my attention because they're saying that with their new Fusion model, they could beat Fable 5 model. So for testing that claim, I use OpenRouter Fusion model to compare that with some other models to see if their claim is true or not, including creating this simulation. In this video, I'll tell you how you can use it, if it's worth it, and how you can even use your own or create your own Fusion strategy to get the most performant results better than individual models, including Opus 4.8 or even Fable. Let's check it out. The bitter truth, as you might know already, Fable 5, the best model ever by Anthropic, got shut down just within a couple of days its release date. Why? So many debates are there, but if you ask me, I would say they got scared. They don't want ordinary people to get access to the power of this intelligence, which was absolutely amazing. At the same time, this blog by OpenRouter said that they could beat or achieve Fable 5 level intelligence. Check this out. They're saying that with simply combining multiple models working at the same time on your task, they could achieve better results. If you follow my pointer, here we have Claude Fable 5, which got 65% in the score of deep research. But they simply use Fusion, which on backend use multiple models, including, let's say here, Opus 4.8, GPT-5, Gemini 3.1, all together for the same deep research task, they got 68%. Or even combining Fable 5 with GPT latest model, they got up to 69%. It's so good to be true, although it's just one task, deep research, but still that is something to consider. And check this out further. Given that you're combining multiple models, from the right side, you can see as we go all the way here, the cost of the task gonna be higher. So that's obvious. When you use Fusion, which are these purple dots that you combine multiple models, although they said that again in deep research task, which is the score here, they got higher, but at the same time, the cost is also higher because you're combining multiple models. By saying combining, are they just simply send your prompt to the multiple models and copy paste them all? That's not the case. Check this out. They're saying that Fusion turns your prompt into small multi-model deliberation. A panel of experts, these gonna be the models that we can check what they are, analyze your prompt in parallel, and all these models, they have web search and web page enabled so they can use it if it's needed. Then at the end, there's a judge model that synthesizes all the responses from those experts into a structured analysis. So that judge model gonna check where is the consciousness across all these experts, where there are contradictories, what's the partial coverage, what's the unique insights and blind spots that all these models in combination they captured, so that final results can encapsulate all of them together. Now what they have done on backend, they have set up models grouped together. One group called quality, that they use the best model from any provider as a backend as experts to fuse them. They have another one called budget, which they are cheaper models, and they have also analysis models. So that field is modifiable by you, and these are the top models they use for Fusion. So if you want to start using it, just go to openrouter.ai, create an account, get your API key, and that's it. As soon as you have the key, they have a ton of different codes that they tell you how you can send your prompt, and that Fusion does the work using these models. You don't need to have the key of all these providers, because OpenRouter is just one API, one key that route your query to any provider without you having account in all of them, which is nice. So if you want to do it by yourself, you can read that, or if you're lazy like me, I just copy pasted this link to Claude Code and ask the Claude Code to, hey, learn what is Fusion, and here's my API key, call it for my future tasks. So to give it a try, I install Fusion, that I'm going to tell you how, to run this prompt, and the prompt is just simply creating a simulation, a 3D web app that shows how this fusion works that use multiple models. And my goal was really, if I just use this prompt as is, send it to my Cloud Code Opus 4.8, it's going to be better versus when Fusion does the same exact prompt for me. So here's my Cloud Code. So let's use the same prompt I showed you to test how Opus 4.8 works, and just simply using my Cloud Code as is. So I copy paste the prompt here that I showed you. Now it will start creating this 3D web app for me. At the same time, I'm going to use the same prompt, but using this time the Fusion. In another Cloud Code session, I'm telling that use this link to learn how to use OpenRouter Fusion. Just go to openrouter.ai/openrouter/fusion. That's it. This is literally what you need to provide to Cloud Code. So let Cloud Code call OpenRouter Fusion to code for you instead of using its own model. And here's my API key from OpenRouter. Paste it there, and then copy and paste the same prompt or any task you want to the Fusion. So what I did, I copy pasted the same prompt, I ran it, and it took me so much time to get that generated. For sake of the video, I have it ready. I'm gonna tell you the difference and how long it took. After around 20 minutes, OpenRouter Fusion called GPT 5.5, Gemini 3.1, and Opus 4.8. So the latest model available from all these providers to give me this response. In a single model, it shows how if you have a task, it goes to the model, the outcome is not that stable. But if you go to the Fusion strategy, you can see there are multiple models, the path is more verifiable, and the object is more stable. It's sort of showing the concept. To me, this is not the best design ever. There's so many objects are overlapping. But if you recall, I used the same prompt to also Opus 4.8, and here's the results. To me, it's much better. Like, it's more clean. I can see the difference clearly. The unstability here. The design is my favorite, but it is so subjective. So you might say the other design is maybe better. What I did, I gave the same code generated to a judge model to tell me which one did better, and that judge model was Opus 4.8. And here's the response. This is head-to-head difference. So in unit tests that they were supposed to generate, Opus 4.8 did fabrication. It just generated one test and that's it. But Fusion was much more granular. It generated more unit tests. At the same time, the test passed. No, Opus 4.8 failed and it fabricated. But for Fusion model, it passed all of them. Both of them had a clean development, but the one that generated by Fusion was in a lower size compared to Opus 4.8. The 3D text labels, it said that again Fusion did a better job, and also there was a bug in the code that Opus 4.8 didn't had to fix, but Fusion had no bug at all. And then from the maintainability perspective, the only thing that Opus 4.8 was better compared to Fusion is here, and I think it's not because of just the model, it's because OpenRouter got the prompt in one shot and get the response of code back to one shot, so Cloud Code didn't have that files and folders or that strategy. Of course, this is just one test. I'm not going to claim that with this I can conclude which one is better, but I had to give it a try and show you how you can use it for yourself, for your own tasks. Now, is it real? Their tweet actually got 5 million views just a day before I'm recording this video right now. And to be honest, I think this is a little bit more marketing than a reality. That doesn't mean you can literally just beat an amazing, gigantic model like Fable 5 with combining multiple other models and say that now you have a better solution. For some use cases, maybe deep research, you can have the power of multiple models from different angles and yes, better results, but this is not a generic statement. So although there is a little bit of marketing taste here, but I think the idea should trigger your brain on, wait a second, maybe models, they see all of them different things at the same time, or even if you can use one model 2 times as they did for Opus 4.8, you might get better response than just calling the same model 1 time. And you don't need to just use Fusion developed by OpenRouter. Just prompt Cloud Code that, hey, generate a Fusion for me, a strategy that used model ABC, we discussed strategy, and boom, the Cloud Code gonna generate that Fusion strategy or compound model for you that might beat your one model name that you're using ordinary in your Cloud Code. So for some of the use cases that you're considering that, make sure you're okay to wait for much longer and you're okay to pay more and see the results. If it's worth for you, then give it a shot. OpenRouter is just one way. If you don't want to use OpenRouter, grab the API key from different providers individually and ask Cloud Code to create a compound Fusion model for you. And again, this is not something that's going to guarantee it has the best performance based on my experience and the truth that I can capture from my perspective than reading these blogs. I hope you found the video helpful. If yes, I would be very thankful if you like this video and subscribe. That will really help the channel to grow and more people gonna see the contents that I'm creating. Thank you so much.